Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to do chapter 15th, that is Surdas ke Pad. In English it is verses of Surdas. So let's look into the mind map of this chapter. Surdas ke Pad, verses of Surdas. Surdas is the poet. Shri Krishna is the main character and he is only Lord Shri Krishna. Yashoda is the mother of Shri Krishna. Here come to the Vatsalya Ras. The poet has been explained very well Vatsalya Ras in this poem. You love something when you consider that is very important to you and you always wanted to protect that thing and support that thing. That is called Vatsalya Ras. That is called the expression of Vatsalya Ras. Gwalan are those ladies who keep cows and make butter from the milk of cow. Gopiyan are those girls who are very young. Natkhatpan dahi ka churana, mischief and stealing of curd. Shri Krishna ki बाल अवस्था का वर्णन, explanation of Shri Krishna childhood times. So here the poet of this poem is Surdas. Surdas ji is considered the best poet of Krishna Bhakti branch of the Bhakti period. Most of his work are based on devotion. In these two verses, the poet has presented a beautiful picture of wonderful pastime of Shri Krishna, which is his childhood times. And here in this poem, the poet has given a beautiful explanation of Vatsalya Ras. How does Mother Yashoda take care of his son and how gopis bring complaints of Shri Krishna, how he did mischief and how he make others in trouble. Like it has been explained, it has been described in the verses, and in these verses the poet Surdas has explained about the childhood mischiefs with the gopis, which he has done with the gopis. So now I am reading the first verse, I am reading the first stanza of Surdas ke Pad. मैया कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी, किती बार मोहि दूत पियत भई, यह अजहू है छोटी, तू जो कहती बल की बेनी जो है, ज्यों वह है लांबी मोटी, काढ़त गुहत नहावत जय है, नागिन सी भुई लोटी, काचो दूध पियावत पची पची, देती न माखन रोटी, सूर चिरजीवो दो भैया, हरिहलधर की जोटी. So in this para, it is a beautiful description by the poet that how Shri Krishna is feeling, how he is feeling when his beak is not lying on the ground. He also wanted his beak to lie on the ground as Balarama's beak, as his brother Balarama's beak. So a beautiful description of the feeling of Krishna's mind is described here, and he wanted his beak to lie on the ground like Balarama. Although what Yashoda used to do, Yashoda used to take care of his hair very nicely, and he used to wash his hair and he weave his hair very nicely as per the rules, but still his hair was not so long. His hair was not that much long that it will lie on the ground. So Krishna is complaining about this in this stanza to his mother Yashoda. Now I am going to read the second stanza, दूसरा पद. तेरे लाल मेरे माखन खायो, दोपहर दिवस जानी घर सुनो, ढूंढी ढूंढोरी आप ही आयो, खोल किवारी पैठी मंदिर में, दूध दही सब सखनी खवायो, उखल चढ़ी सीके कौलीनो, अनभावत भुई में डरकायो, दिन प्रतिहानी होती गोरस की, यह ढोटा कौने ढंग लायो, सूर श्याम को हटकी न राखे, तैही पूत अनोखो जायो. So now in this path, in this verse of Surdas, it has been described by the poet that how the gopis and Gwalan are complaining to Yashoda about her naughty child Shri Krishna, that he does so many mischief and he is very naughty, but still he is very unique and he is beloved by all and he is amazing. What he did, what all the mischiefs he used to do with Gwalan and Gopis, it has been described in this pad, in this verse, that he used to steal the butter from their house. Krishna used to steal the butter from their house, and he gave all those butters to his friends also, and he ate himself also. So he finished all the butter and curd which is present in the houses of Gwalin. Gwalin are those ladies who keeps cows and make butter and curd from the milk of cow. So as you have understood in this verse that how Gwalin is complaining, how Gopiya are complaining to Yashoda about all the mischief and naughtiness of Shri Krishna, and it is making trouble for them that the curd and butter got finished very soon at their home, so they cannot earn money. So students, I hope you all have understood the meaning of these both verses of Surdas ke Pad. So thank you. We will meet you in the next video.